Are there vitamins or supplements that can be used as an effective alternative for ADHD medications with children? The answer is no, because none have shown to be as effective as ADHD medications. I'm sure some of you have seen ads for these natural products on the market that market themselves as alternatives to ADHD medication or natural remedies for ADHD. Well, the truth is none of them are as effective as ADHD medication. Now, all this being said, I will tell you that there is a promising field of micronutrients that show some efficacy that can be used in conjunction with medication and may allow you to reduce the amount of medication used. However, this is not something that I would suggest you just go read and then start reducing your child's medication. This is a protocol that you have to be really well educated about, and I would suggest only doing this under the care of a functional psychiatrist. There are not many of these functional psychiatrists out there, and they are expensive. However, if you'd like to learn more about this, I suggest you check out the work of Dr. James Greenblatt. Dr. Greenblatt has a book called Finally Focused that you may find helpful. Again, I just want to be really clear. There are no natural remedies that can be used as a replacement for ADHD medications. I'll talk to you soon.